all good things happen slowly with bureaucracy. Hola, it's your VA Ate in Spain, and after more than a year of living here in Spain with the digital nomad visa, I definitely know now that one of the things you should never forget to pack is a lot of patience. Welcome to the October series of things your ate should have told you before moving abroad. When you apply the digital nomad mindset of fast execution, high efficiency to any bureaucratic process when you're abroad, it just will give you a wall of frustration. And I don't want that to definitely happen to any of you because I know that it's already a lot of things that are difficult when moving abroad, and this definitely is something that you need to be prepared emotionally and financially as well. You must assume that every single government process will take twice as long as they tell you. Kahit pag-pick up man yan ng tiya nyo, pagkuha ng appointment, pagkuha ng empadron, you have to be ready na time-wise, hindi ikaw yung masusunod at hindi ikaw yung magdidikta. So, try to be a little bit more free-flowing on what happens during this process, especially if you just came here. Promise, this is not pessimism. This is just me telling you the practical approach to just bureaucracy in general and how the government works abroad. Kahit saan man yan, ikaw pumunta, you have to make sure na hindi ka mag-expect doon sa completion date. Hindi ka magbubook ng flight until lahat ng documents actually at hand na. And don't ever rely na pupunta ka lang kung ano lang yung nakalagay sa website. Kasi what ifs, kailangan ng paper copy of everything. So always make proper documentation kahit anong part ka man ng process. So embrace the slow rhythm and adjust your timeline and never ever rely on a promised completion date. I hope this helps and thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Ciao!